To put Walmart gift card money on Cash App, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and logging into your account. Tap the Banking tab at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then select Add Cash. You will need to add the gift card funds to your bank account first, as Cash App does not directly accept gift cards. To do this, go to the Walmart website or visit a Walmart store to check if your gift card can be used for cash or debit transactions. If it can, you can use the gift card to purchase a money pack, which can then be deposited into your bank account. Alternatively, you can use the gift card to buy a prepaid debit card, which can also be linked to your bank account. Once the funds are in your bank account, go back to the Cash App and tap the Add Cash button. Enter the amount you want to add, then confirm the transaction. The funds should now be available in your Cash App account. It is essential to note that you may incur some fees when using a gift card to fund your Cash App account, such as the cost of purchasing a money pack or prepaid debit card. Be sure to review the terms and conditions of your gift card and any additional services you use to ensure you understand any applicable fees. By following these steps, you can successfully put Walmart gift card money on Cash App. Be sure to keep track of your transactions and account balances to avoid any potential issues.